The Bingchat AE Pro Max is a powerful professional drone that delivers serious performance and reliability, especially at this price. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this drone at the best price. This drone is built for adults who want stable 4K footage, long flight time, and advanced safety without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. The real 4K HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal and electronic stabilization produces smooth, sharp video that looks clean both during the day and in low-light conditions, making it great for travel, landscapes, and creative projects. One of the biggest strengths of the AE Pro Max is its flight endurance. With 2 intelligent batteries providing up to 84 minutes total airtime, you can fly longer, explore farther, and capture more without constantly landing to recharge. The long-range digital transmission gives you confidence when flying up to 5 miles in open areas, while GPS features like safe height limits, low battery alerts, and automatic return help protect your investment. The 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance adds another layer of safety, especially useful for pilots who want extra peace of mind. The included tablet-style touchscreen controller is a standout feature. It feels like using a compact Android tablet, making navigation, live viewing, and app controls smooth and intuitive. Creative tools like Follow Me, time-lapse, waypoint flight, and payload release open up unique use cases beyond standard aerial shots. On the downside, this is a larger drone, so portability is not as convenient as mini drones, and beginners may need a little practice to master all functions. Still, for the features, flight time, and overall capability, this drone offers impressive value. Check the link in the description below, compare the current deal, and see why the Bingchat AE Pro Max is a smart buy right now.